stop scrolling for just a moment. This video can help your career and it will not cost you any money. Yes, free courses, free certificates from a global company. Before you click away, this can save you time and money. Hey everyone, welcome back to the Info Roshan. Most people don't know about this website, and honestly, that is a big mistake. Watch till then because I will tell you who should really use these courses. So, what is this platform? Let's talk about that. This platform is called HP Live and it is available on liveglobal.org. This is not a random website. It is supported by HP, which is a world famous international company. And friend, listen carefully. You don't need to credit card. You don't need to pay anything because it is absolutely all the free courses available. And in today's world, degrees alone are not enough and companies are looking for people with skills, not just a certificates. And in the next few minutes, I will show you what type of skills you can learn here, and these are skills companies actually want today. And we are going to check all the details, what is the eligibility criteria and how you can apply. So all these things we will discuss. So you can see here we are at the official page of the SP Life, and you can see here multiple course categories are given. Like you can see the communication skills, then you can see digital business skills, entrepreneurship, and if you are interested in the finance, then finance is also available. And you can see marketing, then operations and professional development. So mostly all the fields are covered by HP Life. You can see here, and you can either select through any categories, and in that category you can see multiple courses are available. So I will show you the glance of the courses which is available here. So you can see like related to the AI, then personal growth, you can see AI for business professionals, then you can see how to write the business email. So if you are the college going students or the fresher, then you definitely learn this business email course because in the corporate you have to write multiple emails. Then also you can see the AI is a very trending, so you can also see the courses for the AI for beginners. And similarly, customer experience you can see, then agile project management, then you can see cyber security awareness, then you can see resume writing and how to give job interviews. So multiple courses are listed here. You can see the leadership, which is a very important. So if you are the working or the experienced professionals, then you can also learn the leadership course here so that you will get the promoted and you will handle your team better. And you can see below that more than you can see 2 lakh people are already enrolled in these courses. So all these courses are available online, and you will watch this video, and you have to complete the task which is mentioned so that you can complete the task and you will get the certificates. And one of the very important thing you can see here that if you complete this course, then you will get this type of certificate. On the top, you can see the logo of the HP is given, and your name will be given, and what types of things you will learn. So this will be also mentioned. And one of the important thing that you can share this resume on your LinkedIn profile. You can also mention it in your resume so that your profile become stronger. So you can see multiple courses are given. Like if you click on the operations, then courses related to the operations are available. Yes, like you can see the inventory management, IT for businesses, and if you talk about the communication is a very important skill, friend, because in any job you have to talk with the your colleagues, you have to talk with the customers, you have to talk with your bosses. So communication is a very important. Communication may be verbal, it is in the email form, which is a written. So you will learn all these things in this courses, and you can see also the presenting data. So if you make any presentation, then you have to present in your seniors, in front of your seniors or in your colleague. So you know how to present the data, what is the important factors. So all this type of things you will learn here. So it is a very important source that companies are providing. All these courses are free. Mostly it is a paid, but HP Life is providing free through their foundation. So you can take the advantage of this chance, and you can complete the courses and get the certificates. So before going to check the how you will do the registration process and other details, if you have not subscribed our channel Info Roshan yet, please subscribe. We are making the free certification courses, jobs and internship opportunities and technology related videos. So you can explore our channel, watch the videos which is also listed on this our channel. So you can take the courses which is already available. And if you have any query regarding this video which we are making on free certification courses by HP Life, you can comment. We will definitely answer your questions. So let's talk about the registration process. So I am taking the example of one course, and I will explain you how they you have to enroll. So I'm going to check the about data science and analytics. So you have to click on that, and once you click, then this type of window will come here, and you can see here the overview of the courses is given, and this course is available in English language, and anyone can enroll from any country. There is a no barrier, and in this course, what types of things you will learn, you can see all these details are mentioned here. You can check about the data analytics, their advantages, and other things are mentioned here, and on the right hand side you can see the duration, and it is a self-paced, and English language is a given. So this type of information you will get. For enrolling, you have to simply click on this enroll, and once you click, then this type of page will come. If you have already account on the HP Live, then you can directly log in. If not, then you have to click on this sign up, and you have to enter your email address here, and you have to provide the other details. And once you register, then you have to log in, and in any one course you want, you can enroll, and then you have to provide the or complete the task which is mentioned in the courses, and upload it, and get the certificates. And if you have any query, or if you have any doubt, or if you want any particular topic should be covered, please comment on the video. We will definitely answer your question, and please subscribe in for Roshan.